That is really good. Wait, what makes you look good? Because you know I've got fans.
What fans?
My only fans page.
That's a good one.
Today I'm with Mandy and Shaneka. Shan to flat. Yeah.
Why do you like that? Okay, let's start. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get
Hot and juicy shrimp.
Yes, it's been a while and we've always wanted to do it. So yeah,
correct.
We're trekking ourselves to London and it's going to take us
an hour and a half to get there.
Exactly.
3 hours in total. There and back, and then we're gonna record our mukbang. To
Why'd you do it like that?
Exactly.
I don't even understand. No one does mukbang. No one does that. What? It's a bag of bang.
No, I don't. It's not like the dung. I don't think
It's like some next symbol or something.
No? Okay.
I don't think they do that. Is that up here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We're
definitely.
doing a mukbang. That's it.
Mukbang.
No.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, no, you need to take that out. Yeah.
Let me show you how you talk to me.
Excuse me.
I
am
looking for hot and juicy.
Follow you in the car.
Of course, lovely stuff. Around the city, you get lost with me. I don't understand how I get it and I walk with it. Telling me to quit it, and I don't even wanna rock with it. She was in my lane trying to switch like a new game. I can't even glitch, losing everything beside me. Mama needs some meds, I ain't trying to hear the same thing. See me in the mix.
So Mandy, we've just got the food.
Yes, we got the food.
Isn't it heavy?
It's really heavy. Look, guys.
I'll bring it in.
And we can't wait to eat it.
So guys, we have travelled from Bedford to London.
We have.
For food.
To get this food. So
Food.
Really
it needs to be nice, but I'm starving right now.
I feel like I might. I don't eat that.
No, we can't dig into this because we can't.
Oh, so you don't want to get other food to then eat this?
No, just eat like a little snack. Something with the same.
You need a snack.
Like just a snack, not like gonna have it.
So let's go find a shop.
Let's go,
Let's get this
We
food.
just acknowledge.
Okay, let's show a little £4 sausage. £4?
Can we eat the sausages? We can just try one. Come on.
Okay, let's try sausage.
This is a snack. No fingernails, hands.
So it's not. It's filled. It's not.
Spread the legs out, everything.
Spread out. I can't. Okay. Go.
Okay, so
Right.
let's try this.
You go first,
on.
Madders.
I feel like I need like a.
If you
nice.
dig, there's actually like things in there, like in the
Like that.
sauce.
It's nice, quite nice.
Is it?
It is nice.
How can a sausage be nice?
It tastes like a sausage. Obviously, it's a sausage. But I don't know if I can taste this sauce. Yeah, I can, but I don't know. Like, we could easily, like...
Just bought from the shop. You're paying £4.50. Where's the French
I mean?
Where'd you get mini frankfurters like this?
I don't think I'm finding the sauce, guys. I don't put it in the video.
Why?
Maybe because our mouth hasn't eaten anything today.
Well, with the lobster, I guess we didn't go there. Extra lobster. I like doing
I'm okay with this.
It's okay. In all honesty, it's actually okay. But we'll try the thing later.
Like, we can definitely make it, yeah? Guys, don't worry, back part 2, we're making it ourselves. That'd be funny to watch.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a mukbang and we got food from Hot and Juicy. I think that's what it's called.
Hot and juicy shrimp.
Yeah, in London.
We got
She's shouting.
this food and we got the mukbang challenge.
Yeah, so we got the 3 people mukbang.
Yeah, we got the trio
And the
lobster tail.
So there we got 3 lobster tails. And what else did we get?
We got 2 prawns. We got some sauce.
I think it's the prawns.
Rice.
And some rice.
Obviously, we were gonna get the cucumbers and stuff like that,
but we
thought it would be like cheaper, you know.
You got to be money wise.
And eggs as well.
I'm just broke.
Speak for yourself.
Yes. But yes. To be honest, if we don't talk, then we don't talk. But
I don't understand what a cucumber is for.
you dip it in the sauce. What kind of mukbanger are you?
Mukbanger, you might be a muk fail.
So dip it in this one.
Any of them. That's a chunky sauce. It might be chunky. Is it chunky? This is sounding real essence.
Oh!
You like that?
Yeah.
Oh, now you like it now.
That's good.
Can I take off a good bit?
Can I do Hi guys. SMR to my SMR.
BDSM.
How we're eating a cucumber. This is so nice.
If we don't talk, then we're just enjoying the food, but whatever.
It makes sense.
I didn't know a cucumber.
Makes sense.
Why cucumber?
In the sauce.
We have saffron over there.
Stefan didn't want to
Oh,
eat
ham.
Saffron's the cameraman.
This is the hot wing, the
Saffron's the cameraman.
hot dog.
Sausage. Yeah, no, no, it's more sausage. Are you here for it? You want this one?
I want to try this chunky sauce on it.
Guys, I've got gloves on. These you haven't because I don't know why.
Because we're oh, that's a good way of doing
They're
it.
trying to be fake mukbangers because obviously real mukbangers
Fake?
get gloves.
Do they?
Yeah.
No, they don't.
They like
No, they don't. You want to get dirty.
Isn't it?
Oh, Kieran needs to stop sending me DMs.
Convinced me to try an egg, so let me try an egg. Oh, you did it.
Then put sauce on it.
I also feel like in mukbangs you don't always eat.
Hold on, I'm gonna add a bit of that sauce.
In mukbang you don't always eat dramatic. So if you imitate, you eat like this.
Ew!
It's in my hair.
Right.
This is going in the bin now. But yeah, you're not so dramatic with it. Like why? Does it add enhanced flavour?
I think it's for viewers, babes.
Okay, if you can see I'm actually eating it.
Okay. I could definitely be a bit mukbanger.
Do you like that? Do you like that?
Yeah.
I can't be a
It's alright. You know what? I just find the inside of an egg boiled is dry. Well, then do you?
I just
I
stick to
like
what I know.
She,
But you don't though. You do try things though.
I mean the gym. She said she'd be a mukbanger. And I said I couldn't. Like this head, do you eat it? I've got this
No, you
stuff in
suck
there.
it.
alright, let's try prawn. You suck the head.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck, no. It's
Yeah.
so beautiful. I like prawn
Who told you
chili,
to do that?
It's nice though.
It gives you brain food.
Why's she joking?
You can even eat the shell on this one.
Are you sure?
It's soft.
Mandy always says this. We're not going to end up eating
I
shell.
don't know if you are crazy.
It's soft. It's soft.
Guys,
Do you just eat it?
These potatoes are really big. Like, look, it's like size of my head. Not my head, but
Okay. I'm going to try potato.
I'm the only one who's dirty so far. It's mad, isn't it? That's just really unhealthy. There's so much oil in here,
Oh, we
Do you know
love
what I
it.
mean?
It's butter.
but it's nice. But it's
Exactly, stop ruining the fun.
sorry. Okay, let me talk now.
Mandy
It's
wants some
everyday
rice, so what can you say about plain rice?
Maybe you say it's not everyday health.
It's not everyday health. Some days, you know. This is so nice.
It is nice.
We haven't eaten today.
Oh no, you haven't.
Oh, guys.
I'm joking. I ate chicken.
Mmm.
I didn't tell them that though.
What's that?
You got it on your chin, babes.
Huh? What?
Right, at the moment I'm drinking a Ray Nephew slush.
Can you pass my drink over, please? It's actually spicy.
It's not that spicy.
What do you think, Shaneka?
It's not hot.
It's hot, but it's not hot. I've had hot.
I put it under my foot.
It don't taste like a jalfrezi.
Oh, I thought you put in the
Hot stuff.
on your foot. So you got prawn in your chin? Or in your ear?
I just touched it, that's why. How do you get prawn?
What is it then?
It's just like, yeah, it could be.
So I break off the head. Suck it.
It's so hard for me to talk and eat, I've just realised.
It's because we're in a zone. I'm just in my zone. But you just suck it, you don't eat the shell. I can't do my
Right.
style.
How did
It's a
you...
bit salty though.
Do you think?
It might be because the egg's salty.
No, I don't eat the egg.
You know what? The egg's sweet. I'm all for these cucumbers in this mix.
See? It just freshens it up. Like, you know we had salad yesterday?
We did salad yesterday. Healthy diet.
This is nice. So how did you two meet? Tell me.
Who, me and Mandy?
Yeah.
Here we go.
We met in school.
We did meet in school.
But did we talk? No.
But did Mandy think boys can't have a mouth? Yes.
So she said, you said you didn't talk, and then Shaneka said, but her name was always in your mouth.
It was always in, no, her name's in my mouth because Mandy was trying to bully her, but that's not the case. That's actually a really big lie.
No, she bullied me.
She's a liar. Now she's bullying me, see? What the time has changed.
Bullying, say?
No, she's a liar because... Tell them what happened. Tell them what happened. And yours, and I'll tell you what happened really.
Okay, wait. So, we did health and social together. So, Shaneka was part of this popular crew in school.
Whoa.
No, but she was. Come on, let's be honest.
Why are you outing me out in public like this, man?
Anyway, Shaneka was part of the popular crew in school, and I wasn't, clearly.
I don't think...
No, and then, so I never really spoke to Shaneka, and Shaneka didn't speak to me. We just walked past each other, but we didn't really speak.
But I knew her. I knew who she was.
So I think it was until sixth form. Was it sixth form? Actually,
Yeah. No, before sixth form.
Oh.
GCSE, we did health social.
Yeah, we did health and social together. And then every single time Shaneka would like be naughty or whatever, something would go wrong, Shaneka would be like, Mandy did it. Oh, miss, it was Mandy. And then I'll be like, what do I say? Like,
Shaneka, that's mean.
But she didn't get no attentions or anything. She didn't get
No, because they knew it wasn't, clearly it wasn't me.
They knew it wasn't her, they knew it was me, but...
Well, so I didn't really think anything of Shaneka. I was just like,
wow,
just like a little Billy. Camera cut out, but yeah. So Shaneka, I didn't really think anything of her. Like, no, just,
not in that way. She wasn't being horrible.
not in horrible. Like, I was just like, that's Shaneka. Like, Shaneka was just like,
You think she's horrible?
A twat.
I feel like, why was you picking on me, kind of thing? But
Oh, Shaneka, that's mean,
No,
right?
everybody, Mandy, you feel like bullying because it wasn't just me, right? Everyone.
no, it wasn't.
That doesn't make it any better. That don't make it better.
You can't like it's just me. Shut up, thanks.
No, it's
still there.
This is she ain't got my back in. I'm back. Me and Mandy have done a madness together, can't lie. We've done a lot together.
Yeah, ever
well
since.
as
we have
bullying.
done.
But
Shaneka used to like, for example, we did cookery together in GCSEs.
Right, here we go again. Another GCSE class we're in.
Sorry.
Yeah, so we did GCSE cooking together, and Shaneka would just pair up with me just because I do work. What's your problem?
That was a lie. Because I still failed, so I
Shouldn't help you that well.
what is this?
You got the practical.
I didn't fail though.
I'm just eating my corn like that. Can't be bothered.
I just didn't really get high grades.
Did you take the heads off?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not finished yet, but my wig needs to come off.
Whip it off, girlfriend.
No.
If I had a wig, I would have taken it off.
Is that how you eat with a wig on?
No, because the wig can. Again!
What happened?
You got your face again? Oh god.
Where's the tissue? Here.
Someone else's again.
It's done.
Don't worry guys, I can do this for myself.
Incapable.
This happens.
Yeah, just I brought a new drink.
Oh yeah. Guys, show them your drinks.
Citrus Chill. I tried it before I came on camera, and it was a waste of money because it's just lemonade. So no one buy it. It's lemonade.
It's excessive calories because it's energy drink, so it's pointless. What's it, lemonade for real?
No, yeah, I prefer lemonade, but I brought that to keep me hydrated as well as my slush. I've also got Coke. I've also got Schnapple lemonade. Ow! And I've got a Lipton raspberry.
Why'd you buy so many?
Because I love drinking. Like, I love drinking.
Alcohol.
I clearly love food, but I love drinking.
I love food.
Try to get it in her mouth.
Oh my god. This is crazy.
Yeah, that's how me and Shaneka met.
No, I'll tell you my version of events.
There you go.
Okay, yeah.
So, me and my other partner in crime, her name's Chanel, we used to be in health social together. We used to be in the back on the left side of the classroom, and we was at the front in the left side of the classroom.
Okay.
Me and Chanel, because we're BFS for like ever, we were terrible together, must admit. But Mandy was just too good for our liking in the front. So what the flip?
So you bothered her?
We didn't bother her. We bothered the teacher to bother her. So
Instead of you.
yeah, so we basically just so they're like, stop talking Shaneka, Chanel. Chanel started this. She'd be like, it's Mandy, miss. And I was like, that's a good escape. Let's use that one from now on. And everything was Mandy's fault. And in food tech GCSE class, she's a liar.
I'm not.
She is a very good cook. Yes, she is. But I did go with her to do my coursework. But I still wasn't eating it.
Oh!
Well, I didn't help her with that side. I helped her with practical, say.
Let's think about it real quick, guys. How do you fail cooking?
How?
But then what do they want us to write about cooking? I put it in the pot.
Your recipes.
That wasn't hard, how did I fail?
Maybe your practical wasn't that good then.
You just did my practicals of you.
Yeah, it was.
So was it good or was it not? Because you passed. Because I'm black.
No, I actually remember Shaneka did not do her work on time.
Oh yeah, and Shadia's come into my class.
I came into a GCSE exam.
I don't think I was actually bad at school.
A GCSE cooking exam. I came in.
To do what?
I cooked with her. I still failed.
I had to do it in break time.
You're lying.
Yeah, and after school.
And after school.
Are you joking?
She's not. And then we just found random stuff in the cupboard and we started putting loads of stuff in.
But in practical, I got a B.
So that's why, because I helped her.
In the work, I got like an E.
Because you didn't do the work.
Yeah, you were meant to, but
You were meant to.
you didn't do it. Then me and Maddie would just continue our friendship so much.
I know, because she loves it. Because she loves
followed me
it.
to uni. She followed
You
me to
followed
uni.
me.
I bet when Mandy found out you goes, don't you just thinking
Yeah.
Yeah. She said yeah.
Guys, it is salty, isn't it?
Salty?
No, I don't taste no
Hold
salt.
on, let me try some again, because I don't
We
know.
eating?
Yeah, what
It's an egg.
I'm eating this.
I think Shorty might have, because you put the egg in your plate, I think it might have just...
Cool, stop telling her it was an egg.
I'm eating the prawns and I can taste like salt.
What, if you suck it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's a big head.
But it's a show.
No, eat the whole prawn like.
Yeah, it is.
That is, isn't it?
Salty.
It is salty.
Yeah, it is.
You lot talking nonsense to me.
It is salty.
It is salty.
These prawns are actually really big. I love prawns, you know, guys.
Look at our tail,
Because
guys.
I was like, when I was little, guys, got a fun fact about me.
Oh my god, I actually can't wait to get into the tail.
Yeah.
Fun fact about me, guys. When I was 2 years old, my parents allowed me to debone a whole fish and eat it.
Shut up.
So you did?
And did you choke on any?
Nope, did it.
Still just it.
I said 1, 2, 2. They didn't care about my health, well-being, but it's okay. This, guys, this tail is so hard.
It's been hard.
Right,
Okay, try it, because we'll
Right.
have crab later.
I'm gonna try the lobster tail.
It's not great.
You don't like it?
It's
What
too
are you doing? Sucking it?
It's hard.
That's what I mean.
You think, like, as in like this bit.
It's hard.
And this is the most expensive bit.
And it's literally this.
I get
To
what you
think like a
mean.
horrible creature, like.
Guys, some of it.
How do you get into it?
Guys, look.
How do you get into it? Do you know what I mean?
My hair's gonna turn orange.
Wait, just like.
Okay,
I
just
think
like that.
they normally use scissors. Must admit.
Or her teeth. Okay, hold on. Ah! I can't do it.
From the side here. Like, you know how, like a prawn?
Look how sharp. Sorry. Are you nuts?
No, but the way you bite it.
They actually have spikes to protect them from getting attacked. And she's putting her teeth.
No, but look, I don't put it like I have.
Bath. Yeah. Do you a favour. Wipe my hair.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Ah,
Put it out and you guys will
I
cut
can't do it. Look.
Well, I can't wear this camera, can I? I think it's fish.
Let's dip it in the sauce.
Maybe shagging me this liver.
Did you get it all out?
Yes, look.
Like, what the fuck?
Is it hard? What's it tasting like? Oh, sugar.
I'm back, I'm back.
Not bad.
Not bad? Like, not bad isn't good enough.
They're meant to use scissors, but
I'm not
These
classy.
Classy, bougie, rich.
Just the ratchet. For man.
Ekin, stupid, what's happening? What's happening?
I'm really concentrating here. Right, I'm dirty
Look.
now.
It's sick.
What's happening? What's happening? Are you food drunk?
I'm so dirty. If you look at see my clothes right now, you would be thinking this girl
I'm
is
so glad the camera's a bit far away.
big age.
Because this is...
These spikes are really spiky.
That's what I'm saying, Amanda's biting them.
I finished it.
What do you mean you finished?
I ate
The
it.
tail's gone. And Mandy, like, his lips in the spikes.
Look how you're sucking it.
Every sip from a corn.
This is so stupid. Can it like come out like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
You did it. You did it.
Can you see it? That's what they do. And I feel like my hands are the same colour. This.
Oi, no, don't eat it.
Why?
You better dunk it in something.
Dunk it. We're like,
What do you mean quick? Calm down,
They
sugar.
always do that, innit?
Okay, ain't gonna go anywhere. I want to do it in this one, thanks.
Oh,
The sauce all over. So we give it a twirl.
there's so many corns in this.
You dunk it. Can you seal that? Oh my god, that's way
don't
too
eat it
much.
on camera. That's it. Oh, guys, it's spicy.
Mm. That's what I'm talking about. That's nice. But I don't know if it's nice because of the sauce.
Yeah,
What are you dying of?
She's done a lot.
Of what?
No.
Spice.
From what?
Something. Shut up.
Can you two? You eat that.
Who's gonna finish the box? Who's gonna Why have you got an egg on the top? Your egg's running away. Your egg is running away.
It's a lot of food.
It's a lot of food.
I feel like Mandy's at the most.
Yeah.
So tell us about your uni life.
No! We not.
Touch your subject?
Yeah.
Okay.
Never again.
Well, can I just say that's where I met Mandy, really.
Probably.
Because Shaneka is my sister and she went to uni.
What's your impressions of me?
You're like super sweet. And down to earth and cool and like innocent. So like, there's no like, I know I can feel it all over my face. There's no, I would find it very confusing if someone said something bad about you.
Really?
Like, I'd be like, what is
Yeah.
there to say something bad about Mandy? You can't. You can't.
Aww.
So then me and my homegirl Saffron, we used to always go down to their uni and cause trouble.
They did.
Because we weren't, you know, legal age to be at uni.
No? But they'd be legal age to do things.
Oh man, got the camera. Got the camera.
Go back to.
Oh my god.
Okay.
So me and Saffron would get picked up from college and have all our stuff ready to go.
Right there.
Yeah.
Actually, you're naughty school.
My dad would pick us up and then we'd drive straight to Northampton. He'd drop us off on Friday evening. Then we'd stay there until Sunday night.
Yeah.
And get picked up. And trust me, that was enough days. There was enough time in that. I remember one time I was there Monday though, because we went to Shaneka's lecture.
Yeah.
That's so weird.
That's mad, isn't it? Well, this is uni. This is easy.
Yeah, we got into her lecture. Shanika would cook for us.
Pancakes.
Pancakes. a whole
Really?
heap of
That's
pancakes.
what we were making, pancakes and pasta.
It was fun. Shanika had like a twin room to herself, so it was like a studio flat.
It was my
So
second
like,
bedroom.
yeah, everyone would be in there. Like it was
Sleepovers,
the
like
place to
Shaneka's.
be.
Yeah.
But you know when she basically she said she doesn't like socialising, but we were there every day.
Yeah.
Shanika, we were
That's
there
true.
every day.
Yeah, I know. I got PTSD recently.
You should be laughing.
No, I don't like people.
Okay.
Because people do me dirty.
That's what I met Mandy, and we had an amazing time.
We did.
And I feel like all of us are so different.
Mhm.
It makes the what's the word I'm looking for?
Interesting.
Yeah, it's definitely
It
interesting.
makes the atmosphere, everything.
Combination.
Yeah. We balance each other out in some sort of way.
Yeah, I think so. For the positives too.
Mm.
Yeah. And we like food. But we've started diet tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
We are.
We are.
Well, I'm not
Follow
really.
my fitness
I
page.
am.
Go and shout yourself out.
No, she did her fitness page first.
Oh, you started one.
Does it look like I have a fitness page?
What is your problem?
Mine is flab2fab_Shan with a kiss.
She's lost so much weight. Tell them how much you've lost.
I've lost weight.
Do you know?
I don't want to tell you how much I lost because I want you to go look at the page.
No.
Go and check her out because she's literally transformed herself. And she needs to basically. She put us in a group chat yesterday, the other day, and she said that we're obese.
Oh yeah, good.
She called us obese and that we need to lose weight and
I thought you looked to die.
Now I've been forced.
to lose weight.
Yeah.
But they'll thank me for it in the end.
But
Can't you like put a photo on there?
Shaneka, we'll insert what Shaneka looked like before and after.
And now, and then you can go on her page.
I swear to God, man, any picture of me from uni or whatever, I swear to God, look at her face, it's lit up.
Lit up.
You know the word? Lit up.
Right, here's crab legs.
Ow, I pricked myself.
I honestly don't know how to eat crab legs, let's be honest.
How was it?
Lobster tail's wild, guys.
It's definitely salty.
Leg. Is it salty? Is it seafood salty?
Mm. Salty.
Right, I want to break this good.
She's running out.
I feel like this is good for the worth the money though.
Huh?
This is worth the money.
Oh yeah, this is like...
Because you get a lot of food.
Why is she like that?
Why are you doing that? Okay, so what are you doing now?
So currently guys,
He's got walks now.
I accidentally swallowed some shell and I can feel it in my throat. These two don't care. They told me to eat the potato.
Good.
She's got the juices in there.
And it's hurting my chest.
Your chest, it's gonna prick into your heart.
You might have to go to A&E.
A&E.
That's what he's eating.
What was she eating? What was she eating?
Oh, I was eating
Many things.
many big things. Plenty
From under the sea. Under the
Yeah.
sea.
Gotta find out potatoes, it has things inside.
Oh yeah. Like veins kind of thing. This is salty from the sea though, this one.
With lobster.
Yeah. I think it's like freshly
Yeah, crab.
caught this morning.
The crab. They got it from Ariel.
You're a pleb.
Like inside it's really salty. Mm. Yeah.
Right,
Would you do MRSA?
I'm gonna eat
Yeah.
another.
What? MRSA.
Do you know what MRSA is? What is MRSA? Do you know what that is?
Disease. I said disease. Oh yeah, no. You know what I'm talking about though.
Did you do RS?
You know what I mean? No.
ASMR.
And that's it. Yeah, it's the same letters.
Where's my mic? I should use it.
And then
And tell you what.
ASMR. Yeah.
I love that stuff and I would definitely do
ASMR.
it.
I don't know if I'm fully like, what's the word, like into that.
I would do it. I end up watching it.
I probably would do it, but not watch it.
I watch it for
Oh.
hours, but I don't like the sound of people eating. It really cringes me out.
I'm gonna put you lot on my to BDS to RD it. Yeah.
What's she on about?
Okay, like, I can just imagine what that sounds like.
Disgusting, isn't it?
I'm gonna leave that section in.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I could never. I couldn't do that, I don't think.
Look, they can hear it as we do it. Look.
Oh! I've got the 2 things out!
What?
What?
Yeah, there should be meat inside it.
Really? You get excited.
No,
That ain't exciting.
It's like when you break it.
Do you eat the eyes?
I'm gonna wallop you.
Yeah! Do you eat the eyes?
I don't. I dare.
Oh, I'm not about to get
I would dare you eat the eye.
I'm not
I
about to
dare.
get Lani nothing.
Try it.
Oh, you're Lani. Lani good, no good no more.
Who told you that then?
What? I feel sick because of the egg.
Lani good, no good no more. That should be a tweet.
No, we should all try an eyeball.
What are we doing here? They're hard.
I'm a celeb, get me out of here.
They're literally hard.
I tasted it.
They're not
Okay,
soft.
just chew into it then.
Like I have. Why do people always dare me to do stuff like this and I do it? Like it's not a big thing, but
Go
they're,
Shaneka, eat eyeball.
they're uneatable.
Shaneka, no.
They're not edible.
They might be softer than the other one.
They're hard.
It's not.
Okay, this one's not hard. It's a
not
fish.
eating it.
It's a fish eye. Yeah, because I squashed it. Have you got one?
Yeah, look.
Go on then.
No, wait for you.
I ain't doing it, bruh.
You have to do it.
I ain't doing it, bro.
Just chew into it.
Bruh.
Here it is. It is hard. I lied. I should have had the one.
How hard's hard though?
But you can't eat it.
Does stuff come out of it?
Yeah.
Goo? Blood?
It just
Good.
tastes like this food.
And it's black.
Like goo?
I'm too full.
I was trying not to laugh in the corner.
Let me just eat this last leg.
Same.
Excuse me.
To be honest, I think I've done the best. Because obviously, plus size.
Wow.
This is it. This is it.
No, don't say that because that's gonna go wrong.
If I just give it a bit more room.
If she didn't speak, it would have been right.
In the show. Okay.
I just really don't eat this tail, but bitches ain't gonna be telling me how to open this shit.
It's cool. It's cool.
What the fuck?
It's
You
all,
look shit.
it's all gone wrong.
I'll do my proper things. Watch this.
Let's let it walk. Oh my god.
Salty, salty, salty. Shit.
But I'll give that an 8. Nah, I'm being too flipping generous.
What?
I'm being generous. I'm sorry. All the food itself was alright. Like it's nothing that I'm like, apart from I was excited about the lobster tail because it was fat. So everything else I'm gonna say, overall, my score is I feel like I'm on Come Dine With Me in the back of the taxi.
Just give your overall score.
I'm like, alright, like I'm gonna give the food
The horses with the most.
7.5.
Even Merseyside.
Merseyside. 7.5, I'm gonna give the food. I mean,
Together.
yeah, mine's gonna be 7.5.
I feel I have to agree.
Because it's just like, meh. It was nice.
I just can't get over how salty it is. It's so I don't know what it is, but it is salty.
You're sorry.
It is salty.
It's over seasoned.
Yeah.
Definitely.
That's what's letting, like, obviously.
Pretty over seasoned. Tasted in my life.
But still going. But anyway, so that's it from us.
From them. Anyway, go.
That was our honest review.
Let me finish off the.
What?
Let me finish the channel.
What?
Hello guys.
You can't even afford a table!
That's what she said on the end.
It's my time to shine. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to say today why I'm starting YouTube. I'm starting YouTube because I lost weight. A lot of weight.
What's happening?
It's all about me now. So, yeah, go to my channel.
I'm gonna use this
Subscribe.
pin.
It is Shan of the Universe. And it's gonna be cool when I get on there, of course, because I'm not on there right now. But subscribe, and then I will show you what I'm made of.
What do you do? A mini cucumber. You two are like,
Deep fruit and really
oh my god, cut the camera.
Anyways. No, we didn't say bye. Oh, and then she could get your ass and sit it back down.
I don't know.
Hi guys, if you can't see, this is a prawn. I mean a lobster tail. Can you see that?
Shaneka?
Will you sit down now?
Yeah.
Wait, don't put it on there.
And let's just end it off. But anyways, that's it. That's us trying hot and juicy, whatever, shrimp. Whatever, London.
And we should go try something else again.
Yeah, we should try more foods.
Yeah.
Than what we suggest.
Different
Maybe
types.
drive around and eat in a car.
Shaneka's
park
got
or
a sort of
something.
diet now, so maybe some salad.
Maybe
I heard that Subway salad is quite nice. McDonald's salad.
A bit of us one for a big
Bring it over there.
Eat your cucumbers, mate.
Put it in there.
Oh, but yeah, that's it from
I've got a
us.
headache.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching Mandy's channel.
Don't forget to subscribe
Comment
and like.
That was my point.
Okay.
You can say
That's okay.
follow. Comment.
Why is she like this?
Send it to your friends. Like, comment. Send it to your friends. Oh my god, this is so nap time, guys. After this, we're going for a nap.
Like, comment and subscribe.
No, you can't say all of it.
Well, you not just took all my line.
No, you just have one.
Subscribe.
Okay, that's it from us today. Don't forget to like,
Comment.
And subscribe to Shaneka's Universe.
Oh my god.
we'll see you in our next video. We'll be doing more of this.
Bye.